Meet Larry, proud owner of the world's only sneezing book. Each time he flips a page, the book lets out a thunderous sneeze and blurts out the ending of the next story. Larry tried reading mysteries, but the book would sneeze. The butler did it. Before page 3, he switched to romance. But one sneeze later, they break up on the last page. Now Larry reads cookbooks, but even then, sneeze, the souffle collapses. So if you ever need a spoiler, just borrow Larry's book, but bring tissues and low expectations.